Hi there! This is the video tutorial for Prodigy, which is a math game that your students can get on by themselves. And it is on prodigygame.com. And I wanted to first show you the game of actually what your students are going to see after they log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And I already have all my information in there. All right, so I already made my little person. I made her have blonde hair, and she's all cute and everything. And I'm playing from home right now, yes. And so you can pick the world that you would like to play in so that you and your friends can be together. So I'm gonna do this one. That looks good. And so there I am. Oh, thank you.
Something really did seem odd about that monster. Let's hurry up and get to the academy. By the way, if you're ever not sure what to do, just follow the magical guide hand I've created.
Okay, thank you. Alright.
Look up the hand now.
Oh no! What are those?
Now, before we go further, you'll need to choose your very own pet.
This one. Oh, I guess I hit
These
this.
are the Academy starter pets. Every student of the Academy has one. Choose which one you'd like to train. Seems like this one is a bit grumpy too. I think you'll have to battle it first.
Okay, so now I'm going to do a battle. And you'll get very tired of that song. Alright, so I guess I'm going to do this, and it's going to ask me the question, so I need to compare these two numbers, so 31 and 22. The great thing about this is there's a read aloud option. And there's also, if you don't know what it means, then there's this, and it can read that aloud to you. Alright, two numbers. Okay, oh, that's really helpful right there. So we know that this one is less than that one, so we need to put the alligator facing that way. And then when I have a good answer, then I can cast my spell, and I got it correct.
To add a monster to your team, you need to break the Puppet Master's spell over them. Just tap the rescue button to try to break the spell.
Alright. Yes. Alright, so now I need to compare these two numbers, and I'm going to see what happens when I get something wrong. So I'm going to say that one's the bigger one. Oops. So it'll have me fix my answer. Oh, I guess it tells me the answer. And there it is. So I missed her. So she gets me. Alright, so we're going to try it again. And now this time I'm going to get it right. Alright, so now I have a pet. So that's pretty much how the game works. You go along in the story and you just battle various people. You can play against your friends, or you can play against whatever the game character tells you to play against. And you just hit next, and it's always reading it to you. So That's pretty cool. So that was the student side, and now I am going to show you the teacher side of it. And there's different things you can do. So you might have to create your new class. It's probably going to look different for you because I've already done that. So here's the class that I've created. I put 2 students in my class, and it has myself and one of my students. And so you can see that I have answered some questions tonight. There they are. And so you can see what your students are up to, what they're doing, and all that stuff. Once they're in there and they've played a few games, then you can see what kind of progress they're doing, and you can send notes home to their parents so that they can see how they're doing. So there's different stuff. Here's your checklist of how to get your class signed up. And so that's pretty much all there is to Prodigy. And yeah, I think it would be a really fun game for your students. It's really good for math skills and learning new things and just figuring things out on their own. So I hope you'll try it, and I'm definitely going to try it with my class. Bye!